How to change Messenger notification sound on Android. In this video, I'll show you how to change the notification sound for Messenger on your Android device. Start by opening the Messenger app on your phone. From the chat screen, tap the three-line menu icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the settings icon next to your profile name. Then, scroll down and select Notifications and Sounds from the list of options. Scroll down to Notification Preferences and select Customize Notifications. In the Notifications section, select notifications you want to change. Click on Sound and choose your preferred ringtones. Depending on your device, you may also be able to customize Messenger's notification sound through your phone's Settings app. That's it! You've successfully learned how to change Messenger notification sounds on Android. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.